Hello, this is Gabriela with another Money Robot video. Let's talk about what to do after finishing a campaign. A few things to think about it. First of all, remember always to send backlinks to create campaign to all your important pages, okay? Don't just do it to homepage or just don't do it to 3 or 4 pages. Try to cover the whole website. What usually I do, I go to the sitemap and grab the whole thing and maybe create a couple campaigns just to about and and contact a page or something like that. But always create to all the URLs. That's one of the key of the success with Money Robot. Okay, what you're gonna do is keep running campaigns. Simple like that. If you are finishing with one, just clone or create another one. Usually clone is faster because what you need to do is just click here, clone, and then you're gonna jump on this one. You will need to change the number, I do, and always refresh your article. Why to do it clone? Why faster? Simple, because you have already the URL in place, you have already the keywords in place, and that's why it's simple. Depend on what you are doing. If you are using Money Robot for tier 1, I put the generic word keywords around 40-ish, 50. If you are doing it for tier 2, I usually take down to 10, 20. Okay. After you refresh, remember to refresh, you can go ahead and work with another one, like this one. In this case, one of the good strategy right now is working is at least 5 campaigns or more if your niche is really high competitor with all these diagrams. Okay, diversity ranking, it will be, let me show you this one. As you see, have a sync between Web 2.0 profiles, wiki, social, bookmarking, and that's why it's really powerful. What you need to do always is, first of all, create. Okay, create new accounts. Why? Simple. If you are working with one account, like putting like Cancun Paradise Transfers, and you are working with 1312, just let me show you. This is one of the main one to create new accounts. If you are working with this one, you are not have accounts on wikis or the other ones, and that means in that part is gonna run without any account if you are reusing. First of all, what I do is use at least 1 or 2 on creation and then 3 on reusing for each one, and then go back and do it again. Simple like that. One of the things of this is keep working, keep creating backlinks. Depends on what you are looking. You can have it on 10 or 12 or here, because you are trying to, don't do more than 8 or 10 per week on campaigns per website. I mean, if I'm working with 6 URLs and 6 campaigns, because you can create, different campaigns at the same time, no problem. And if you are working on 10 or 15 threads, it's a good number, because you are, be doing plenty backlinks per week. this is one of the strategy. It's working right now. This is one of the 2022. Please let me know if you have any comment, and I will try to send you a new video with the answer. Okay, thank you. Until the next one.